Chat. Chat. War is in the air. It is that time. It's that time again in a dance hall. At that time of day again in a dance hall right now. War is in the air. Aye. Noonie. War is in the air, chat. War is in the fucking air, chat. You feel me? War is in the air, and we are here to react to some of these music videos that's been dropping. You know what I'm saying? I need to turn this bitch up so it's not that grainy. Okay, cool. War is in the air, chat. You feel me? War is in the air. Look, we gonna get into some music reviews real quick. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get into some music reviews. Should we let's review Muscatune real quick. Let's review Muscatune real quick. Is it me? Boss a blank. Boss couple shot real quick. Boss couple shot. Boop 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 boop. Alright, so that's our soundboard right there. We gotta update our sounds, but it's all good. We're gonna get into Massacre Autocrat. Let's go. Glass of a toast, killer yam a killer, gun pop off the most. What you mean? How the bum buckler? But I reach you knock. Convo. Dog said we again on top of the convo. Yeah, so right now everybody I talk about Massacre right now. So that's why I'm coming with that song here. We again on top of the convo. Is it because everybody I talk about Massacre right now, or am I run from Alkaline, or in Afraid of Cartel, what he go on with it on the stage show. You see me? And I believe something else happened the other day as well. But basically, Massacre is the topic of the convo right now. Fire and palm like Shango. Who know Cape Town? Now the fireman that in a Cape Town, and the fireman in a Cape Town really name a Shango. Fire in my palm like Shango. They like a Gucci. So we are looking for some subliminal, some direct disses to any artist. Excuse me. You get me? We're looking for a diss to any artist right now. No matter which artist, we just want to hear him diss somebody die brawling. Soupy. Corn inna the pan like soupy. Humbukla lyrics. Corn inna the pan like soupy. You know the drum, the pan belly clip, be a corn, be a rounds. You see me? Corn inna the pan like soupy. You know when you make almonds porridge or any kind of soup, and you put a corn in a soup or almond porridge, and you put bacon in that. Yeah man, so your dog I tell you say the pan full up, the drum them full up. Do me, and then I do it. Aye. And the man group it. Yo, the dog said, dog said, what the dog say? Dog said, pull up with the tool and have to take on the jewelry. Lie down with the diamond and rubies. Oh, pussy. We not come for take your jewelry, brother. We not come for rob you, brother. You see me? I dead, you go dead. Mr. Dead. You go see my friend. You see me? Heaven. Or Elia reach, my friend. You see me? You know, with the tongue. Wrap it up the matic. Don't go to clubs. A real talk that still the dog say wrap it up the matic. Me don't go for you for me don't give me guns. Me don't got party, me don't go to club. Watch it round rabbit that so them kill thugs. Alright, so that part you know, the dog said him not feel safe if him not travel with him guns. You see me? So him nah got a party and him nah got a club. You see me? Watch the round robin. That means round robin is basically a person or a man or a girl we love go every event. Them outside na every event. So no matter which event, you can catch them there. You see me? I saw them kill thugs. Cause you're round robin. You love go everywhere. You see me? Some more time if you just lock in. Puffing up drugs. But if you puff up some drugs and no massacre. Nah like that little style of bad. Who them said them what then? Who them said them was? What them said them do again? Who them said them was? That got the crux in I fucking thing. Convo, like Django. They do the way it like younger. Hear them palm like Shango. Dancer. Y'all see me on feet I dancer. And then even that way they like racket. Your name I topic. From you take the place like racket. Me see a bag of pussy. A screw. That dog said, see a bag of pussy a screw. Yeah man, a bag of pussy wanna stop it. Them have to watch it plain. I push through the traffic. Like magic. Poop, poop. Canva, Django. And then what do I like? Shanga. They want tune bad. The tune bad. The tune bad. Um, it definitely have that one floor there where everybody had talk about. Definitely have that one floor there. But the one floor bad same way. You see me? The one floor bad same way. Nothing but the one floor no, everything but the one floor is alright. I mean, eventually I get tired of the one floor for true. You see me? So must got Africa 11 times. Why? Why them I saying this cartel? But the man that this cartel, bro. Must man, must can this cartel, bro. Must better know him I do with him this cartel. Bro, this is not even popcorn, bro. Who the fuck is this nigga? Who the fuck is this nigga on the cover art? On the thumbnail? Not even popcorn that, bro. Oh wait, them they say climax drop a song, you know. Let me hear it. Yeah man, Wires in the air. Wire season. Wire season people. Wires in the air. I like that tune, yeah. I like the vibe of the tune. It's one of them tune that will make you want to sing it even though you don't know the lyrics. It's like you want to sing along. Wait, I don't think this is a song the man them I talk about still, cause they might say yo, return of the mommy. They might say yo, she drop a this song cause she get this a look where the some of them know. Let me see. Shit, I always spell her name. Climax. Climax this Devin. I could see. Young Sam Smith. Uh, Young Sam Smith, alright. You know, me see this, I'm listen to it, but I never really listen to it all the way. Hold up, pull up, pull up. Ease, my friend, ease, no mama. Oh, you start the tune, so ease, no mama. Calm down, calm down. Dash like a water, dash like a water, dash like a water. Gunshot, bust two shot, bust two shot. Yo, yo. Make it matic and time. You want to see style. You want to see style. No matic and time. Bobo clad easy. Mama said she pull up on him when he have Shelly a bubble like soup. Boo! 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 Buckler, Mama said. She said genocide at a climax. She will make a massacre. Buckler lyrics. Cause you know, if you don't know, climax is massacre, baby mother. You see me? Them left long time and them they kind of have a fallout. So now them not good. You get me? So she with this massacre some of the time, I guess. And she right now she defend herself. You get me? But more I say genocide at a climax. So she basically said the whole genocide with massacre talk about, she run it. You see me? She we make her own massacre. Cause if you know genocide means mass killing. You see me? And then massacre obviously. Ease. We must say be a man up a station I goggle balls slowly. Nah like when Devin did this genocide camp, Shane Skull and the rest of them and them. First thing I said is everybody will come talk about the belt. The beat no him get. You see me the belt this, belt that, belt this. You see me? But climax first climax punchline about the belt are the baddest one me hear so far. Wap wap wap. Wait, what she say? Wait. Yeah, so see there, right there, so in the last little part, she said, She basically said Massacre not give her no strength, but she not look no strength from Massacre, you see me? She just a defend her name, cause Devin the doctor call her name in her war. So she not look no strength from Massacre. You see me? She just a defend her name, which is right. After defend the name, if a man call the name in a war, after defend it. Alright, so Devin the Doctor drop a new tune. Let's listen to it. Come on, man. War is in the air tonight, man. A war time, war season. Everything hot. Everything hot, my friend. This name Return of the Mummy. Devin the Doctor. Let's go. Yeah, man, tune have to pull up. The tune bad. Have a fire some shot. The tune bad as fuck. Pull up the tune, my friend. Pull up. Pull up the tune too bad. Return of the Mummy. Yeah, no. Return I Mummy. That's a keep a burn a reserve. I'm a third eye running. The day did it burn to the tired Tony give turn at the free and the time they're yawning. Return I Mummy. Return of the Mummy. Dog same borrow the formula for the third time. How we borrow formula from? You Devin, how we borrow formula from? Alkaline? Turn night Mummy. Very nice sunny. It's very night funny. And very night running. Yeah man, I tune that bad. Return of the Mummy. That said, relax the G lock. Anyway, the G sat. You didn't get it? Without playing our words. Glock, G lock. and then G sat as in the test, and me and G, I'm a sit down sat. So my current up for third and third eye running. Return time. Return time. Hey man, that tune that bad. World that bloody can burn a reserve. I'm a third eye running. Return that. Return at it. Yeah, this bad. This bad Devin. Go on do your thing, man. Return at the moment. This bad. I can hear a black crying out say. A black crying out say. Boop. Yeah. A boop 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 boop. Boop boop clot. A boop boop. A boop boop boop. Yo, even know Black Rhino maddest thing. That man think yo Black Rhino baddest artist out of Gaza, bro. Black Rhino baddest artist out of Gaza, bro. No one hear nothing. A boop boop boop. Boop boop boop. I did like the boop. The boop, the boop. 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 Boop boop boop. Yeah, Ryan. This have to get pull up one more time, brother. This have to get pull up one more time, my father. One more gunshot for them. One more gunshot for them. Apa the boop. The boop. The boop. The boop boop. The them. The white that for them. The white that dirty them. The white that dirty bang. The white that look. Boop. 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 A boop. 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 Did that? Did I in a boop? Dog a beat some fever for the ends. Dog a beat some fever for the ends. Hey man, war season is in the ear, man. War is in the ear. War season, you see me? You know, say every tune right now hot. Every tune, every artist I drop right now hot, my friend. You see me? Alright, chat. I think we're gonna end this with make us see. I think we're gonna end this with Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee drop a new tune. So we're gonna end this with my artist Tommy Lee Sparta. You see me? If you don't know any Tommy Lee Sparta, my artist, you see me? Hey man, rate Tommy Lee a fuck, Tommy Lee body a fuck. You see me? Lyrically, physically. You get me? Yeah man, them man the dog, a father dog, a real father dog, this you know. Yeah, real father dog. But alright, we could get tonight. Tommy Lee Road. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Then we work and pray. Yo, the man named Dark, you know, brother. Look on the end, so it's just dark. Okay, look on the end, so it's dark. Crime scene. Never know how we run the road. How that? That look like intense. No, I'm not intense. I'm not intense. Never do it like it. Okay, dog mask up with the 30 clip. Dog say as them run up, boop up, I drop them. You see me? They bright in a school, now the darkness shot them. My dog son this, you know, scared of Sparta. What dog say? Same place them dropped on in them grave, left them for wild animal. Yeah man, but the fuck man said me kill the fool in broad day and then attend the wake. Hey, there about them, man. Oh, this boss lady? Who that girl? That's a jump out of and boom! Shot a lucky med. A big dirty rifle a wave. The man dark, well dark in the night. Oh, now who him attack? The dog said them afraid, you know. How him attack? Who afraid? Make me know who afraid the chat. Chat make me know who afraid. You see me? If you not watch the live on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you drop a comment down below. You feel me? If you're watching on Twitch, make sure you hit that follow button. Road to affiliate, man. Let's get it. Let's go. It's what Pree and we out this bitch. Alright, I could go support my play one real quick for now. Outro, 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 outro. Damn, damn, damn.